In front of me is Motorola Moto G100, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So at first you need to open the browser that you are using, then tap on More icon and select History. Here click on Clear Browsing Data and you will find the basic and advanced options. So under basic you can find browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And then under advanced you've got a few more, which are saved passwords, autofill data, and site settings. So just mark those that you would like to remove and then select time range right here. And you can choose last hour, last 24 hours, last week, last 4 weeks, or all time, and I will pick all time, and then tap on clear data. So if you truly want to perform this action, tap on clear, and that's it. As you can see, from now on there is no longer history here. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.